Ever wonder how a regular dude like me banked over $3,000 last month selling digital products without throwing a single dime at ads? Seriously, I used to think that you needed a mountain of cash to get your digital products out there, but then I stumbled on a sweet spot using the free traffic already flowing on social media. And guess what? This works with any digital product on any platform. So stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'm going to break down the exact system I use to have my digital products sell themselves, all without paid ads. And by the way, if you're new around here, my name's Ronnie, and my thing is helping everyday regular people, yeah, you know, the ones that are rocking that 9 to 5, match or even crush their current income by tapping into the power of selling digital products. And the secret sauce is all about combining a solid game plan with the right social media hustle and a super simple process. When you nail that combo, you can market your digital products for $0 and watch those sales start rolling in every single day. And once you've got that dialed in, all it is just rinse and repeat. A few years ago, I basically hit the reset button on my whole hustle. Zero followers, not on my email list. It was a complete fresh start. And at that point, shelling out for ads just wasn't in my cards. So from day one, it's been all about those free methods. And let me tell you, it's paid off big time. I've pulled in over $3,000 in sales in a single month. So let's dive into my 4-part blueprint so you can automate your digital product sales too without ever having to pay for ads. And here's a truth bomb about selling digital products. Nobody just buys a thing. They're buying a solution, something that sparks an emotion or makes their life easier or faster. So, a huge piece of the puzzle is really understanding that buying process. When you get that, you can map out exactly what your customer's journey looks like. Think back to the last thing you bought. What went through your head? For example, the other day I was running errands and I was totally hungry, and bam, I saw a sign for some crispy chicken strips. First thing, that hangry feeling solved. Second, my actual hunger was gone. And third, it was going to be quick and easy. Boom. Okay, let's look at an online purchase I made recently. I signed up for a real estate course and I was looking for a few key things while I was doing that. One, it had to be online so I could do it anywhere. Two, it needed to have some legit cred. And three, I wasn't trying to drop a grand on it. And I found this online course that ticked every single box. So if you can break down your digital product into at least three key benefits, whether it's hitting an emotional need, providing a solution, or offering speed and ease, then you've nailed phase one, understanding the buy. And while we're on the subject, I love to hear the top three things about your digital products. So do me a favor, drop them in the comments below. I always reply back. Now, once you've got that down, you can start to map out a journey for your ideal customer. And trust me, it's not rocket science. It's way simpler than it sounds. Now, I've got this awesome resource called the Digital Income Starter Kit. It's my digital product that helps folks like you create and sell digital products on autopilot. And I know the three big wins for this kit are first, people are usually frustrated and searching for real answers. Second, they want an all in one solution that's easy to follow. And third, they're after results, plain and simple. Now, how did I figure that all out? Well, first, I created a picture of my ideal customer. So we'll just call her Sarah. She's clocking into those 9 to 5 hours, but she's hungry for another income stream. She's got her laptop at home, but time is tight. So I needed to map out how Sarah would actually end up buying my digital income starter kit. I figured Sarah probably gets home from work and starts digging around online, looking for someone she trusts or a solid resource to learn how to create and sell digital products. So her journey might look something like this. She starts searching online, probably hitting up YouTube looking for how to sell or how to create digital products. Now, I know she needs quick answers, but she also needs to trust the person she's buying from because she's likely doing a lot of this on her own and needs some reliable guidance. So Sarah's probably going from that initial search to watching YouTube videos, then to actually learning something, then building trust with the creator, then getting the confidence to build her own stuff, and finally making the purchase. Once I mapped out that journey, the rest just clicked. I wasn't just throwing stuff at the wall. I had a clear picture of how my ideal customers were buying, and that helped me see exactly what I needed to do next, which is setting yourself up for success on social media, because that's where you're going to grab your ideal clients' attention. Okay, so we've mapped out the journey, and at the beginning of Sarah's journey, she was searching for those how-to videos. To build that trust and credibility, social media is your best buddy. So, on your chosen platform, that's what you need to do. Remember Sarah's process. Search on YouTube, learning, trusting, and buying. That's exactly the kind of content I create on my YouTube channel. It's all about teaching something valuable because I know that's what folks like Sarah are looking for. For you, it's not just about posting random stuff. You need to create content that speaks directly to your version of Sarah, the kind of content that makes them go, yes, this is exactly what I needed. This is exactly what I'm looking for. From there, a single piece of your content can have a direct link to your digital products, just like my digital income starter kit. If you check down below on my YouTube description, that's exactly what I do. I've got links to my digital products right in the comment section as well. And I also offer some free resources, educational stuff to get potential clients onto my email list so I can help them even more. They might not be ready to buy right away, and that's cool. So that's what those free resources are for, to give them a quick win and earn their trust and help them along the way until they're ready to buy. Now, the next part is crucial because it's all about using the right automated tools. This is what makes the whole thing run like clockwork. To guide Sarah through that journey, having the right automated tools is non-negotiable because time is gold. If you can find a way to automate, simplify, or just make things way smoother, why wouldn't you? So the best tools out there, and some of them are even free, are your chosen social media platforms. And then there's this game changer called System.io. Now, I roll with YouTube because I can schedule tons of my videos for free, and those videos stick around on the internet for ages. But you could pick whatever platform that vibes with you. Just remember that buyer journey we mapped out. Now, System.io, this thing does all the heavy lifting on the selling side. You could build high converting sales pages. It automatically delivers your digital products, handles payments, and you can even run your automated email marketing from there. So when Sarah stumbles across my social media, there's a link to a sales page I built on System.io, and that page does all the selling. She buys the digital income starter kit, and System.io takes care of the rest. Now, there are a ton of tools out there. Should you try them all? Nah, you don't need to. System.io is a one-stop shop, a total powerhouse. Plus, I've already been through the ringer with a lot of them. I've done all the legwork for you, and honestly, I've seen the most success with this platform. And oh yeah, I almost forgot. You can snag a 100% free forever account, which is a lifesaver when you're just starting out. And when System.io says free, they mean free. To sign up, you don't even need your credit card. All right, so let's wrap this up. You absolutely can sell digital products automatically without spending a dime on paid ads. That's exactly how I do it. It's been my go-to strategy since day one in the digital marketing world, and it's led to sales like these. So there's literally nothing stopping you from doing the exact same thing. Now you know the next step-by-step system for automating your digital product sales without paid ads. You might be thinking, okay, Ronnie, what's next? Well, it's time to level up even further. And you can do that by sticking around and checking out this next video. Because when you pair what you just learned in this video with what you're going to learn in the next, it's going to make you way more powerful. Stay blessed.